How to delete Happn account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Happn, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Happn account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to delete Happn account, you can simply head into happn.app here and log into your account. Now here I'm not on the app, I'm on the browser, but the process is similar on the app as well. So tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. You can see right here. You're going to tap on it right here on the profile icon. Once you're on your profile, you can see my preferences, app settings, my data, need help, and logout option right there on the screen, right? So you're going to simply tap on my data option. Then you can see the option that says delete my account. Tap on delete my account. Then you can see yes I'm done option. Tap on yes I'm done, go ahead through the prompts, and you'll be able to delete your account. So this is how you can delete Happn account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.